Hello, dear subscribers and viewers of our channel. Before viewing this video, please subscribe to the channel and like to support it. And also write your feedback in comments if this video helped you. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to download any video from TikTok without a watermark. To do this, go to TikTok. Now just click Share. Copy the link to the video. The link is copied. Next, we need to go into any browser. I go into Safari, and I find a site called etsstick.io. That's its name. I will leave a link to this site in the description under the video. Now insert the link to our video and click the button. Download. We wait a couple of seconds. Now we choose what we want to download. I choose C without watermark. We wait a couple more seconds and close the ad, and click Download. Now we open the download and see our video. Click here. Next, click Share. Drop down below and click on the button Save Video. We wait a couple of seconds more. Now we go out of here and go into our gallery, and here we see our video without the watermark. It's very simple. That's the easy way. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to leave your feedback below this video. Thank you. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. Bye.